Hello and welcome to this Technic Force tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss the Translate Text feature in LinguaScribe. LinguaScribe puts the power to translate text from hundreds of different languages at your fingertips, from any language to any language. And not only that, you have the option to choose from 3 different service providers. Let's take a look. From the dashboard, you can see all of your Translate Text jobs represented in the Tasks chart. And you can also click the Translate Text tab below to view all of your jobs and download the input or the output files. To translate text, just go to the sidebar and click on Translate Text. And then click Add New. We'll give our task a name, and as always, we'll give it a descriptive name. And then we'll select our service, and we can choose from 3 services, either Google Translate, Amazon Translate, or Microsoft Azure. So let's start with Google Translate. Then we'll select the language that our originating text is in. So I have some English text right now, so we'll select English as our original language, and then we select the language that we want to translate to. And this is an incredible way to expand your audience. For example, by marketing to a Chinese market as well as English, I effectively double my audience. And mainland China is a very active market right now. Same thing with Hindi, over 600 million speakers of Hindi, and again, a very active market. So now that we've chosen our language to translate to, we can click Next. Now we can either paste in our content, or if we have it saved as a text file, we can drag and drop the text file here. Since I don't have a text file, we'll just use the copy-paste, and then submit. And the translate is almost instantaneous. But let's go ahead and do a couple of others so we can compare all 3. So we'll do the same thing again, and select our service. This time we'll do Amazon. And our originating language is English, and we're translating to Hindi. And next, and we'll paste our content and submit. And again, that one's instantaneous, and we'll do one more. And Microsoft Azure this time. Originating language is English, translating to Hindi, and next. Paste our content and submit. And again, that was instantaneous. So now we've got Google, Amazon, and Azure translations of our English script into Hindi. Let's go ahead and download the Google file, the Amazon file, and the Azure file. And then we'll open these again. There's Google and Amazon and Azure. And by looking at them side by side, we can see that there are minor variations. Like, for example, Azure was able to translate the name Technic Force, whereas the others just left it. And same with the name LinguaScribe. But it did have trouble translating the 100+. So we could just take the translation that we like best, or if we're feeling adventurous, we could play mix and match and choose the sections of each translation that translated properly and paste them into the ones that didn't. In this case, I'm not too worried about the digits. I think that translates well across languages, but I like the fact that it translated the names here. So we're going to stick with this one, and we can use this one for our marketing. Every situation is different though, so it's good to compare, and you saw how fast it was to do all 3. And that's how easy it is to use the Translate tool in LinguaScribe. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks very much for watching.